Good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll be looking at our dots elimination. Dots elimination. So this is our underarm, and this is the waist dot. The waist dot. So I want to take this and this out completely. So what we need to do is to cut it out open. So you cut it out completely. So I'm taking this out. So I'll come to this point here. Sorry, let me take it out very well so that the end result will be seen. Okay, so you take these two out. So we'll be needing our masking tape. So you bring this here, you cover it using your tape to seal it together, like so. So if you have this kind of tape, you can use your blade to split it into two. So you cut at the middle so that you also manage your tape. So this is it. So this place we need to fill it up. So you look for a paper. Let me get okay. Let me use this and I'll cut it out. So you use this. You also seal it. Use a tape on it. So you can just connect the line. It's not, it can't be straight, so you can just make it a bit curvy. So I'm cutting this out. So what you need to do is to come to this point of your armhole. So you connect this line like so to one leg of the dart, and you also connect this to the other leg of the dart. So you cut this out. So let me secure it properly. Okay, like so. So I'm cutting this out completely. Just like so. So we've successfully eliminated the waist dart and the armhole dart. So this is what you have. So if you should cut your fabric, if you are to cut on the material, so it gives you a perfect fit. It gives you a perfect fit because the waist dart won't be there and the armhole dart too will not be there. So let me use my tape to tape it down. Okay. You bring it close together before you taping it down to this tape. So you can see it's no longer equal. So what you need to do, you still need a paper to fill it up. So, okay, let me use this. So you just tape it, then you straighten up the line, and that's it. You tape it like so. You tape it down like so. Then you come this way and tape it down like so. So you can also let me get a better tape. All right. So what you need to do now is to connect the line all the way like so. So you have a perfect fit of your blouse without any dots, and it gives you a perfect structure, the curvy structure of the bust and the waist. So it comes out fitted. So this is it. So these are dots elimination. Bye.